Hi, I'm Sharon Burns, owner and operator at Arts Catering in the DC metro area. Now, I know that you guys are working on your health and fitness goals for the new year. Well, we've been working hard to think of how we can be a solution and have an option for you. So, we have for your standard option, your vegan, or your no or low carb. We have the perfect meal prep for you. So let me show you an example of this is how your meals will arrive. Every Monday, you'll have 5 individualized meals packaged based upon your preference, your dietary preference. This happens to be one of our no to low carb options. So it'll arrive like this, and this is our bacon bites that we have. And I'm just gonna plate it for you because even though this may be something that you can grab and take to work or where you're on the go, you may want to plate it up at home while you're having dinner or lunch. So everything, like I said, is individualized based on the preference. And these, like I said, are beef burger bites with turkey bacon. So we have all of our cheese here and lettuce and pickles and tomatoes. And then we'll top it off with broccoli. Perfect option for you. And it's gonna cut back on time, save you energy, and you're gonna be eating right. That's the whole goal, right? So at Arts Catering, we have you covered. Like I mentioned, every Monday, a new menu will come out so you don't get bored. We wanna make sure that we're rotating different options for you. And you can check out our new menu online at artscatering-dc.com. We have the perfect solution for you, so check us out.